Hey, Skillbyte here. Battery has died on my Chamberlain garage door remote. This is how you change it. So you're going to need a CR2032 battery. Links in the description if you want to buy some. All right, you can use a screwdriver or you can just pull the clip out. Use the end to pry in the middle. Pry that up a little, then you're going to go to the side. And my GoPro battery died too. Okay, go to the other side. Pop that up. That's going to come up like so. There's your battery, your CR2032 lithium cell 3 volt. Get your other one ready. Remember how it goes. If yours has a tab, pull that off. It's not a tab, a little protective cover to keep it from wearing out. And just pull that out. Take the new one, same direction. Slide it in. From the button side, start there, put it together, then get the sides and the middle. And garage door just closed. Yay! And take this and let's see, which way did I have it? I think I had it this way. There you go, that's all there is to it. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment. Good luck with yours.